How to stop a for loop. I'm writing a code to determine if every element in my NXM list is the same. i.e., 0, 0, 0, 0 returns true but 0, 1, 0, 0 will return false. I was thinking of writing a code that stops immediately when it finds an element that is not the same as the first element. i.e., I would like to stop this loop if Lij not equals n and return false. Otherwise return true. How would I go about implementing this?
Use break and continue to do this. Breaking nested loops can be done in Python using the following. Another way is to wrap everything in a function and use return to escape from the loop.
There are several ways to do it. The simple way, a sentinel variable. Pros, easy to understand. Cons, additional conditional statement for every loop. The hacky way, raising an exception. Pros, very straightforward. Cons, you use exception outside of their semantic. The clean way, make a function. Pros, much cleaner and still efficient. Cons, yet feels like C. The Pythonic way, use iteration as it should be. Pros, still clean and efficient. Cons, you reinvent the wheel. The Guru way, use any. Pros, you'll feel empowered with dark powers. Cons, people that will read your code may start to dislike you.
Try to simply use break statement. Also, you can use the following code as an example.
To achieve this, you would do something like
If you want, você mudar classe pode ser de subsidiary.